Hello guys, review Infinix Smart 20, this version. (64GB plus 4GB RAM memory, 64GB storage. Open box, look complementation. We have device in the black color, okay. And in the box we have adapter for charging, protected back cover and Type-C cable. On this side, power button, wall buttons, double camera on the back side, slot for SIM card, display, 6.78 inch, downside, headphones jack, speaker on the upside, mono speaker, Type-C and microphone. Turn on device, we have display. HD resolution, IPS 120 Hz, GPU MediaTek Helio G81 Plus, 81 Ultimate. We have XOS 16.2.0. Okay, Android 16. Close this and look test results. GPU test results. And CPU tests and GPU test results. Okay, close this. Look Antutu benchmark results. Perfect. Close this and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load. Works good, without lags and glitches. Okay, this is good and works on the medium graphic level. Close this. Camera works. iCam, we have 4x zoom and we have 2K or Full HD video recording. Close this. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.